Hello to all the traders and investors, and a very warm welcome to your own channel, Trading Guru. Today we are going to go ahead and discuss a very important news that will be out tonight, and 8 shareholders might think that they have hit a jackpot out of this entire news. So without wasting much of a time, here we go. So the news is all about the MSCI index, and a lot of stocks will be considered to be added to this index. As you know that this has a global standard and it really has a lot of weightage, as a lot of FIIs usually invest into stocks which belong to this MSCI index. So that is the reason why it is very important. If you are following this index since a long time, you also know that Kotak Bank was added to this index and it really flied away. So what we feel is this can be the 8 probable stocks that can go ahead and come up as probable to get added to this MSCI index. And these stocks, the number one stock is at the high probability of getting added. Remaining stocks have like mid to low probability of getting added. So let's see which is the first stock on the list. The first stock that can get added to the list and is the most probable one is Adani Enterprises. Please study this stock because it has high volatility. At the moment it is trading at 1303. If it gets added to this MSCI index, this stock will have a lot of foreign investors being attracted to get their investments in the stock, and it can go to this next level. So it is a very important news for people who are holding stocks in Adani Enterprises. And if today, if the stock gets added, you will surely see amazing returns in the next 1 or 5 years time, depending on how long the stock stays into the MSCI index. So inclusion exclusion, it usually keeps on happening, and if it stays there for a long period of time, the stock usually should fire and reach levels like never before. Let's see which is the second stock on the list. The second probable stock on the list is Adani Transmission, currently trading at 1196. If you see, in the last 5 years it has given amazing returns, and if it gets added to this MSCI index, you can expect amazing returns in the future as well. Let's see which is the third stock. Number 3 probable on the list is Adani Total Gas. If you see, that stock is at 1334. 5 years, you can see that the stock was trading below the 200 levels, and now it is again trading at 1334. If it gets added to this MSCI index, this stock will also shoot up like crazy and give numbers and results like never before. Let's see which is the fourth stock on the list. However, before I move to the fourth stock, it is important that you do not just blindly go ahead and invest into these companies. There are a lot of things that you need to consider. If you have already done your fundamental analysis about these companies, and this MSCI is going to be like a added advantage, after which you can definitely discuss with your registered advisor and take a trade accordingly. Let's see the fourth stock on the list. Number 4 on the list is SBI Cards. If you see, it is trading at 970. It was listed somewhere in the range of 670, and from there it went down till 500, and from there it has again moved up to this 970. At the moment it is a monopoly stock because HDFC is not selling new credit cards, and there is a lot of problems with different cards like diners and other aspects as well. So it is a gainer anyway, and if it gets added to this MSCI index, it should surely go ahead and shoot up like crazy. Number 5 on the list is Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Company, and as you can see, 2016 it was trading at around 190, and from there it went up till 300, and from there again there was a drop, and since the last 1.5 year it has started performing, and from 170 odd levels it has gone up to 550. So a strong stock. If it gets added to the index, MSCI index, it would surely show some amazing returns. So that is the stock on number 5. Let's see which is the sixth stock on the list. Number 6 on the list is Voltas Limited. If you see, it was trading at about 350 in 2016, and from there it has gone up to an amazing bull run of 1010. So a very good stock, belongs to the Tata Group. So I think if it gets added to this MSCI index by any chance, it should surely go ahead and fly like crazy. So the chances are very low of the last 3 stocks to get added. Number 7 on the list is SRF Limited. It's into a chemical sector stock, and if you have seen, it has given excellent Q4 results. And if you see, in the last 5 years, the stock has grown from 1500 to this level of 6292. So it's already a growing stock. The entire meets the entire criteria for a long-term investment kind of a thing. And yes, with if it gets added to this MSCI index, it will surely go like crazy. I cannot say how good it will be for such a stock to go ahead and get into this index. Let's see which is the last stock. The last and the 8th stock on the list is Jindal Steel and Power. It was trading in the range of about 70 to 80 rupees in 2016. From there, it went to 200, consolidated, went down again to that 70 to 80 levels, and from there in the last 1.5 year, it has gone up to 476. So this is with the steel rally in place. The stock is very good at the current levels. If it gets added to MSCI index, it can start flying. If not, I think the stock can go ahead and show some corrections once the steel rally is over. So all in all, these were the 8 stocks which can have a big jackpot if any of them gets added to the MSCI index. For me, my personal favorite would be Adani Enterprises and Adani Gas, because Adani Gas has a good promoter holding, which is a positive sign, and after that it's SBI card as well. So those were the 8 stocks. I hope that you have enjoyed the entire video. Do share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel if you are new. Thank you so much for watching.